And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create this offset lettermark logo design in Adobe Illustrator. What we need is a letter, obviously. I've got Smart Guide and Snap to Point only activated, and I use the type tool to create the letter. You can do that with any font and any letter, but letters like P, Q, R, N, they work best. Right click afterwards, create outlines, go to Object, Path, and offset the path, click on Preview. And we need to find a good size. Maybe 20 pixels is good here. Let me try that. I'll make that white. That looks good. Go to Object, Path, Offset Path again. We'll make it black. Repeat the process a couple of times. How often, you might ask? And the answer is simple. We need to create a rectangle as a guideline for us. Let me do that now. I'll make the fill color red so that we can see properly. Go to the bottom part of the first P letter, so not the offset. Then go upwards. Smart Guide's happy with that. Make sure you've got the diagonal Smart Guide as well. Let me arrange that center back and you can see where it is. So we need a couple of more offsets. I'll bring it to front again. When you now select the outer offset, it's grouped. So if you create a path, it's a little bit different. So don't make that mistake. We need to first ungroup it. So Ctrl Z, select it, go to Object, Ungroup. Now select the outer offset, and again, path, offset, path, 20 pixels, and then alternate between a white and a black fill color. And we need one more. And maybe we need another one, just in case the last one didn't fit the entire rectangle. But that's fine. The rectangle is covered completely. Select it all, use the shape builder to hold Alt and get rid of everything that doesn't fit the rectangle. Now you can select the rectangle and you can see what we've created here. You could also place the rectangle on top, flip the colors and make it black, and you've got a frame. It works as well. And this I can recreate this offset lettermark logo design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.